How long does it take to turn a steel coil into a cable tray like this? 30 seconds. This is a cable tray roll forming machine. One continuous line, decoiling, leveling, punching, roll forming, all the way to finished output. Fully automatic, no welding, no secondary processing. The coil first passes through the leveler and servo feeder, keeping the strip flat and the feed precise. Then the punch press stamps mounting holes at exact positions. Finally, the guider feeds it straight into the roll forming mill. Every station sets up the next one perfectly. Here's the biggest advantage: one machine, multiple widths and heights. 100 millimeters, 200, 300, 400. Just adjust roll forming stand's position on touchscreen, and you're making a different size in minutes. No mold changes, no half-day downtime. The finished tray, smooth surface, no burrs. Punch holes precisely positioned. Every single piece, identical dimensions. That's the advantage of continuous roll forming over traditional stamping. Stable, efficient, quality you can count on. If you need a cable tray production line, any width, any spec, drop a 1 in the comments. I'll send you the full specs. End quote. Belly roll forming. Roll forming machines, exported worldwide.